Hello everyone, this is Varsha Pandian speaking to you in the era of the COVID-19 pandemic. In the recent times, we all have this question constantly revolving in our mind. When is our world going to end? Can we share some knowledge about it? A great scientist, Professor Edwin Hubble, put forward his theory that the universe is constantly expanding at an accelerated rate. He called this theory the Hubble's law, which states that the distance to a given galaxy is directly proportional to the recessional velocity of that particular galaxy as measured by the Doppler redshift. This is expressed as V is equal to h naught into d, where V refers to the recessional velocity of the galaxy, h naught to the Hubble constant, and d to the distance to the galaxy. This also gave rise to a great thought, which is the Big Bang theory, which explained that the existing universe began in a tight and compact state about 13.8 billion years ago. This also gave rise to a thought: what is this expanding universe going to end into? That is when astrologers started researching and they came up with three theories: the Big Freeze, the Big Rip, and the Big Crunch. To understand these three theories, we'll be using three vital expressions: the force of gravitation of celestial bodies, the repulsive force between them, and the dark energy. Consider the Big Freeze. In this situation, the dark energy pulls the universe apart, just like in the movie Star Wars. All celestial bodies will float apart. Everywhere there would be the same temperature. Nothing interesting would be happening at all. Called the Big Chill or the heat death of the universe. In the Big Freeze, life ends up cold and damp. Life on Earth would end in a whimper and not a bang. In the second scenario, repulsive force exceeds the gravitational force. Galaxies move miles away, atoms and subatomic particles tear apart. Our universe would destroy in a fraction of a second. All matter would be destroyed. No new formation will take place at all. This is the Big Rip. The third case is devastative. In this, the galaxies crash against each other. Our universe would end in a very compact state similar to that preceding the Big Bang. This is called the Big Crunch. Astrologist researchers show that there is also a possibility that a similar explosion could have taken place before the Big Bang. This situation is called the Big Bounce. Currently, we are not sure how the universe is going to end and how many bounces have taken place already. As per cosmologists, we are headed for the Big Freeze. But don't start stomping mittens right now. We can never be confident unless we completely understand about dark matter and dark energy. Physicists like Freeman Dyson state that life could modify itself to survive the Big Freeze, and this is not as worse as facing the Big Crunch. But to answer any of these questions, we will have to wait for about 10 to the power 100 years. Thank you.